As cool and compelling as the new color mode is, there's always going to be a time when you're going to be working in the middle of an edit and you just want to make a quick color tweak right there in edit mode. And we've got you. If I jump back into edit mode, you can see in the properties panel, if we scroll down, we have a new set of color controls. And these color controls cover all of the basics for adjusting the chroma of your image, the luminance of your image, and even the detail with texture and sharpness controls. If you're ever working with these controls and you decide, you know what, I want to go back to color mode, there's a handy button right at the bottom. But while you're in edit mode, if you just need to make a few adjustments to maybe cool things down, bump up the contrast, adjust the pivot to make sure contrast is doing what you want, and maybe ducking exposure down a little bit, you can do all of that right here on the edit page without having to go anywhere else. And the best thing of all is that when you jump back into color mode, you'll see all those adjustments have actually been made to the first adjust operation in the clip mode. So everything you do in edit mode is actually part of your color mode grade. These are not separate mechanisms. It's all one thing. So in a very real sense, the color controls in the properties panel are an extension of color mode into the edit mode.